Okay. Yes. Okay, we are learning about overlapping and disjoint sets. Let's consider two sets A and B. Set A equal to 1, 2, 3, and set B equal to 4, 5, 6. And we can see that here is no similar elements in these two sets. Okay, so that we can draw the Venn diagram for these two sets separately and write the elements of set A here, okay, in the diagram of set A, and elements of set B here separately. Like this, we represent these sets in the Venn diagram. They have no common elements, no similar elements. So they are called separate sets or disjoint sets. This is the disjoint set, okay? And for the same sets, we can draw the diagram like this, set A and set B. Suppose if we draw the sets like this, okay, how we write the elements? Please look at here, first of all, how we write. Is there any common element in the sets A and B? Please speak.
No, sir.
No
sir.
similar or common element.
No, sir.
So in this common part, okay, of the two sets, we do not write anything. We do not write any element in this common part because there is no common element. And so where to write these elements? 1, 2, 3 here in the side of set A only, and 4, 5, 6 in the part of set B only. Like this, we can fill up, we can put the elements in the sets. So this is how we represent the disjoint sets. So it is about, we are learning about disjoint sets. This is about disjoint sets. How many of you understand this? Please speak. How many of you understand about disjoint sets? Please raise hand if you are clear. And speak also, please. And if you have any confusion, please ask me now, right now.
Sir, your right side could disjoint set, huh?
Yes, very good question. Both are. See, these are disjoint sets because they do not have any common element. And how we represent the disjoint sets in the Venn diagram is either like this or like this. You understand or not? Either
Yes,
like this or like this, we represent the disjoint sets. I think you understand. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Some of you, yes, some of you are muted there. Please unmute. Video must be open and everybody tries to speak. Again, okay, I'm asking you the question. Now tell me, what do you mean by the disjoint sets?
The set which is not
Disjoint set.
Yes, very good. The set, a pair of sets, okay, which do not have, yes, so we come to know that a pair of sets which do not have any common elements are called disjoint sets. Yes or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please read the definition from
A
here.
pair of sets which do not have a common element are called disjoint sets.
Yes, some of you are unmuted. Sorry, muted. Unmute गर्नुहोस् र सबैजनाले बोल्नुहोस् त please. Everybody speaks the definition of disjoint sets. Everybody, I'm watching you guys.
pair of set.
A pair of sets that do not have a common element are called disjoint sets.
Okay, now look at here, please. Okay, we know that if there is no common element, then such pair of sets are called what we call. Everybody speaks, please.
Disjoint sets.
Disjoint set.
Very good. Now, just think and try if there is at least one common element like this. Here is also 3, here is also 3 like this. At least one or maybe more also common elements. Then what we will
Joint
call
sets.
this
Joint
set?
sets.
Joint set.
Joint set.
Joint. Disjoint and joint, yes? Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. Joint, or we call them overlapping sets also. What we call sets?
Overlapping sets.
Overlapping set.
Okay, very good. Overlapping sets. So what may be the representation? What may be like this separately we draw? No.
No.
We have to draw like this. Okay. We have to draw like this. And how to write the elements? You see, since here is one element in common, so that element is written in this common part. Do you understand it or not?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir.
where to write these elements 1 and 2 in the part of set A, and where to write the elements of remaining elements of set B? Like this.
B.
Not like this, not like this, okay? Okay, very good. So everyone will see here. So we know how to represent the overlapping sets or joint sets. We can say joint sets. How to write that we know. So what may be the definition? Please try, everyone.
A pair of sets which have a common element are called joint sets.
Others also please try to speak.
Pair of sets.
Yes, just previously we wrote here which do not have any common element, yes, but now
Pair of set which have a common
very,
Element
is called
very
joint
good.
set.
Just
It's a-
we
it's called-
replace which have, okay, at least one one common element.
Common element are called disjoint sets. Are called
Okay, very good. Very good.
overlapping sets.
Very good. So everybody speaks, please, again the definition.
A pair of sets which have
Pair of
have
set
a
which
common
have
element.
at
Least
least
one
one
common element.
one common
At least
element
one
is called
common
disjoint
element
set.
are called
Overlapping set.
overlapping.
Some of you are muted. Unmute, Garnush, please unmute and speak. Everyone again.
Overlapping sub.
Once more, I will ask the question. Everybody will try to give. Suppose here are two sets A and B. Set A equal to A, B, C. Set B equal to C, D, E. Are the sets A and B overlapping or disjoint? Please try.
Overlapping.
Overlapping.
Overlapping. So, what is the reason? Can you tell me?
Because
Because
There is no any
there is
there is C and
because
C.
common element. There is
or because there are two C.
there are
two
not
C's.
common element.
Or because it is the pair of
Because they have same element.
or because
Most of you have tried. Very good. Thank you very much. But some of you are still muted. Unmute garera answer dinu hola. Thank you. Yes, they are overlapping sets because they have at least one common
One.
element.
Yes, sir.
Maybe they can have so many, like suppose C is CAT and another set D is equal to ACT. What do you think? They are overlapping or disjoint?
overlapping.
Overlapping, sir.
Okay.
Overlapping.
No matter, yes.
Because they all know
Everybody try.
There are the pair. There are at least one pair.
Please, everybody, please unmute and speak. They are overlapping or disjoint. Again, speak, please.
Overlapping.
Overlapping.
And what is the
Overlapping,
reason?
sir.
What is the reason? Please?
Sir, because there are at least
Because there are
Overlapping.
there are common elements.
because there are at
common
least
element.
because
There are
They have common element.
because they are
Because they
Because
have
they have
common
common
element.
common
They have
element in
common
yes sir they have
Again,
they have
speak.
common
Everybody
element.
speaks again. What is the reason
Because
they are
there are
overlapping?